nice up party. When time we come, man, we feeling irate. When time we pass, man, you know we ready. Y'all come and dance and they looking sexy. This is Ragamuffin, we are nice up the lady. While you feel know everybody feel good. And when we come in on the place, nice up neighborhood. When we come in on the place, nice up neighborhood. Nice up dance, we are nice up party. When time we come, man, we feeling irate. When time we pass, man, you know we ready. Y'all come and dance and they looking sexy. This is Ragamuffin, we are nice up the lady. While you feel know everybody feel good. And when we come in on the place, nice up neighborhood. This is Ragamuffin, we are nice up the lady. This is Ragamuffin, we are nice up the lady. This is Ragamuffin, we are nice up the lady. This is Ragamuffin, we are nice up the lady. This is Ragamuffin, we are nice up the lady. This is Ragamuffin, we are nice up the lady. This is Ragamuffin, we are nice up the lady. When time we pass, man, you know we ready. This is Ragamuffin, we are nice up the lady. When time we pass, man, you know we ready. We pass, now you know we ready. This is Ragamuffin, we are nice up the lady. The time we pass, now you know we ready. We are nice up dance, we are nice up party. When time we come, now we feeling irate. When time we pass, now you know we ready. Y'all come and dance and they looking sexy. This is Ragamuffin, we are nice up the lady. While you feel know everybody feel good. And when we come in on the place, nice up neighborhood. When we come in on the place, nice up neighborhood. Nice up dance, we are nice up party. When time we come, now we feeling irate. When time we pass, now you know we ready. Y'all come and dance and they looking sexy. This is Ragamuffin, we are nice up the lady. While you feel know everybody feel good. And when we come in on the place, nice up neighborhood. This is Ragamuffin, we are nice up the lady. This is Ragamuffin, we are nice up the lady. This is Ragamuffin, we are nice up the lady. This is Ragamuffin, we are nice up the lady. This is Ragamuffin, we are nice up the lady. This is Ragamuffin, we are nice up the lady. This is Ragamuffin, we are nice up the lady. When time we pass, now you know we ready. When time we pass, now you know we ready.
Alright guys, I am here. We're gonna begin in a couple minutes here. It's 8:30. If you were in yesterday, you're selling APTV, CBO, and IQV from yesterday's buys. If not, you're looking to buy some of these stocks. If the stock is bull for the day, you can buy right on the open. If it's a bear, you want to wait till the end of the day. You guys can start going ahead and looking at the 11th play is looking at ADI to ZTS in the green box there, and start looking at buys. Make sure you cost average on your entry positions and exit positions. Make sure you play as many of these plays as possible to take advantage of the statistics and winning in the long run. I'll be back in a few minutes. I'm gonna grab my coffee and brush my teeth, and we can get a fresh start in a few minutes here. We have all day to buy these stocks. So we have an 8-hour day ahead of us, actually 7.5. Good luck, guys, and again, I'll be back in a few minutes.
I dare you to lose your mind. I dare you to move inside. I dare you to move inside. I dare you to lose your mind. 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 I dare you to lose your mind. I dare you to move inside. I dare you to lose your mind. I dare you to move inside. I dare you to lose your mind. I dare you to move inside. I dare you to lose your mind. I dare you to move inside. That's to this. I dare you to lose your mind. I dare you to move inside. I dare you to lose your mind. 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 Lose I dare you to lose your mind.
It's starting to get hot out there, guys. It's starting to get good. It's a great week coming in for trading. All of you guys are going to be great, whether you listen to me or not. Because we're all trading bulls, I'm assuming. If you're trading shorts, you might struggle. Unless you're a professional trader, well, just tell me to shut up and do your thing. But I'm just sitting down now. Let's get this video display up so you can say hi to those beautiful faces. What's up, guys? Alright. Hey, Michael Neal. Alright, let's get right into it. We're 2 minutes in. First things first, let's do a recap of what happened yesterday. So, get situated here. Oh, let's say that's a good song. Let's shut up on this song. But let's turn the music down a little bit so my voice is dominant, like so. I didn't mean to close that, but we can open up another one. I know APTV was one of them. If we see green, it's a win for sure. And look at that. Easy win. Easy win. ANET was another one. Look at that. Look at that. No matter where you got in yesterday, you'd be ahead right now. ANET stock is the next one. Again, another easy win. No matter where you entered, you'd be ahead. I don't have to look at it. IQV stock. Again, and it's going to be, again, it's another winner. Again, no matter what stock you bought yesterday, APTV, SIBO, or IQV, you would have all won. I love this. I love this. I love it. All right, let's talk about today. Let's get the plays up on the board here. First things first. Oops. First things first. Let's manage the size of that, and then let's write these plays up so we got them on the screen at all times. The 30 plays for the 11th. Again, you're going to buy these on the 11th, and you're going to sell them on the 12th. ADI, Ollie, On, Us, APD, COS, Sugyo, CDW, CFG, Cody, FBHS, IEX, IQV. Actually, IQV is going for a second day. So those who bought IQV yesterday, you guys are holding IQV for another day. Okay, guys? IQV, Keys, LRCX. Let me just put some of these. Yep, just like so. We left off at LRCX. We have RMCHP. We have NU, NUE, PKI, PRGO, PSK, QRVO, SNPS, SYKS, SWKS, TWTR, UMN, Watt, XYL, and ZTS. I'm gonna once again go through that again for accuracy purposes. I'm gonna modify this back to say 12 plays again, because we don't need to see everything that it's saying. And then let's make this a little bit more explicit in what I'm calling here. This is the buy to 11 list, sell to 12. 0.6% target gain, the 78% accuracy. So that's like the overall goal, right? Let me modify this one more time. We can drop it like that. There you go. You guys can see the whole list now. Just for it looks a little bit smoother, let's do this, and we'll just do that. There we go. Okay, if you guys want to talk to me directly, the easiest way to do it is add me on Facebook, Henry Lemmerman. You can also search Super Henry 2 on Facebook, YouTube, or Twitch, and you will find me in all those platforms. It's a little bit annoying and intro, but we'll give you a shot, Jaws, just because I love you as a DJ. Let's jump into today's plays. I host a lot of watch parties. It's hard for me to interact with the watch parties, so I'm gonna beg for you guys to come over to my streams so we can interact a little bit better. If not, I'm always gonna be trying to get to you guys to show you what's up, and as long as your trading community allows me there, I will show up and try being respectful and non-spammy as possible, so we can work together in a professional level. So let's look at the buys. Let's look at ADI. ADI is up. You can buy ADI. You can buy one stock of ADI right now. Ali stock. Ali's up. You can buy one stock of Ali. On stock. On stock is up. You can buy one stock of On. Us stock. Us stock is up. You can buy one stock of Us. APD stock. APD is up. You can buy one stock of APD. Ka stock. Ka is up. You can buy one stock. Oh, Ka's down. You might want to wait till the end of the day. I'm sorry. I'll just get into the repetition. So Ka. So CAH. This is a little warning. It is on a mountain. So we got to be weary about entering Ka. Enter at the end of the day, 259, and see what's up. If it's down here, awesome. It's up on that mountain though, so be wary entering CHA. Now it's still got a high probability of you making a win off this and a higher high, but just know my intuition is setting red flags off, and maybe your intuition is setting off red flags too. But regardless, the playbook is the playbook, and you can play it how you want to. Just in every system, there's better plays than others, and I think this is one of the weaker ones. SIBO stock was actually a buy. On Monday. Yeah, so we would have held it through Monday, holding it through today. Okay, for some reason. Yeah, things are turning around a bit, but you guys had your exit plays. Let's see. SIBO, CDW, CFG, Cody. We left off at SIBO, right? Stock. It's just sitting at. I don't know what's up with SIBO right now. Let's just move on. CDW stock. Let's see. Higher highs, I am liking it. It's got a nice push forward, so that's probably a good stock yet. Get some coffee here. First sip of the day. Delicious. I'm sorry if I can't communicate with all of you guys. I try my best. But CFG stock is up, so you can buy that off the start of the day. Cody stock is down. Wait till the end of the day or see how it responds throughout the day. Look for a pivot point. FBHS stock. Again, if you want to add me, I'm going to show you right now how to find me. You're going to look up Henry Lemmerman right here. Okay. And when you search up Henry Lemmerman, it's going to be this photo right here, the smiling kid. I have some other photos, profiles, so be wary of that as well. But yeah, you guys can add me. It's this first one. If you guys add me on this one, I guess I'll eventually get you over to my Hank's Advanced Stock Simulation page or wherever these are being posted. But That's a good way to start. So I see I got some comments coming in. I love you guys commenting. So let's take a moment. Actually, I'm not gonna take a moment to look at these comments because sometimes it is spammy. So I'm actually gonna continue to go through the plays because this is more valuable than interacting. And I mean, I want to interact with you guys, but I have to be efficient for myself and efficient for every single person trying to use this playbook. So I have to keep that in mind, and hopefully you guys can keep that in mind as well. I took a moment here to stop for a second and talk. But again, you guys don't have to wait for me. You have all the information. I always try giving you guys. I try to give you guys everything you need to run ahead. And then if you guys do what you guys need to do, you guys can come back and we can hang out and talk about some things. IDEX or IEX, looking good. IQV is an extension of Monday's play into Wednesday. So today is Tuesday. It's turnaround Tuesday. So I have some really good hopes today. That's why I'm like, buy now, guys. Just get your buys on. Get your buy pants on, guys. It's time to buy and see some growth. Key stock. I mean, everyone who has a system knows it's time to buy. Key stock, another great stock to buy. It's full on the start of the day. Stocks that are bull on the start of the day is good because they tend to be bull for the rest of the day unless they hit a pivot point, which you need to be able to see those pivot points and respond off them. But if it's bull for the day, there's a chance it'll bounce off the pivot point and then come back and break through the pivot point. Same thing with bears. Bears tend to be bears for the whole day unless they hit a pivot point. But we're betting on the upside of things, not the downside. LCRX. Oh, Mara stock. So really, I only saw like 2 stocks down and 1 hesitant stock to enter in. Which, on a 78% win rate, yeah, 1 out of 5 stocks are going to be bad. It's actually 1 out of, or 22 out of 100 stocks are going to be bad. So that's 12 out of 50. 6 out of 25. Yeah, 6 out of 25 plays are going to be bad. But 21 out of 25 plays will always be good. At least if you're using my ability of trading. Because someone might have an 80% win rate, someone else might have an 88% win rate, someone might have a 52% win rate, you know? We're all a little bit different, and that's why it's unprofessional to tell you you're going to win 78% of the time. It's very objective about statistics, and you guys need to understand statistics to very, very detail to hold yourself accountable of what I'm talking about. And that's just how trading works. No one giving you information is responsible for your trading. Although, we're going to try helping. And hopefully you can figure it out, or you can be successful too. And maybe you did it with my help, and maybe you didn't. It's nice, but it's double-sided. I can't really take credit for your success either. It just says I can't take success or credit for your failures. PKI stock. Yeah, I'm literally flying through these. All these are buys. Like, there's 30 buys today, and I'm going through this faster than any other day this month because they're so easy calls. You just buy them. What's going on, PGR stock? Did PGROs close down? It had to have shut down. because it's not. It must have shut down since November, because that's when I downloaded this data, and that's where I got PRGO. Wow, that's insane. What happened to it? That's kind of funny. I have a stock in my a play in my playbook, a stock in my playbook that isn't even publicly traded anymore. I mean, definitely used to be traded, but okay, guys, we learned something new. Let's continue. I'm gonna come through the comments in a moment here. Let me just finish going through. I'm just finished going through the initial overview of everything. PSK is a buy. QRVO stock is a buy. SMP, SMPS stocks is a buy. And I'm also trying a new system with the 100 leverage using this system. Trading on the Dow Jones Industrial and the SP 500. But we'll see how that goes. But if that goes well, I'll start sharing my trading with you guys as I go through it. But after, I'm kind of excited to go see how things are moving this morning with my 100 leverage. I'm only trading with pennies, but honestly, pennies is all I need to really get going. I mean, you can turn pennies into $2,000 if you get on a roll and figure out what you need to do. And by then, you'll be making a lot of money. I mean, I can make a lot of money with this system. It just takes time, you know. So we need our success strategy and our risky strategy that we can fall on our face. And this is our success strategy right here. Again, SWKS, another buy. Twitter stock. Twitter, whew, you're taking a dump. But lower low on 35.83. It's probably gonna keep going down till the end of the day. I don't know. Keep an eye on Twitter. UMN. UNM. Oh, I see. I put it backwards. Alright, there we go. UNM. Oh, look at that beauty. Look at that beauty, guys. If you would have bought on the 10, oh, that is beautiful. Is that not? That is beautiful. Jeez. I just want to look at it for a second. like that is options worthy. It's so beautiful. Like the double valley, the triple valley, putting up an easy 3% gain. Ooh. It's a little bit on the mountain, but it was on the bottom side of this channel, and this response is so predictable. Up with a U and hitting that second peak, and then that's the deciding point right there, the second peak, whether it's going higher or lower. Lots of things can happen once it hits here, but man, ooh, that's still beautiful. Such a beautiful channel. All right, let me stop piping up. that win right there. Here's another one stock. Up 1.42%. Yeah. XYL stock. Man, you guys are gonna have a great day today. I'm having a great day already. Oh yeah. Another uptrend stock on the bull side. Yeah, it's still good. It's still good. Let's check out ZTS stock. Last but not least, alright, I'm gonna come around and answer some questions now. Alright. Here I come, guys. I knew you guys asked these questions a little bit ago, but I'm coming around. What about music? Is this too loud? Is my music too loud? Because I know my music is still on. Is it too bothersome? Like, I could have swore I turned it down. Like, it is like an eighth or a quarter of my... At least it should be, I mean. Like, yeah, the music is so far down that 28 minutes ago, that was right before market open. So, yeah, I did have the music pretty loud then. Alright. Let's go check out the next comment. Let's see. Check inbox. I did check my inbox, but sorry, someone's upset trying to get help from me and I had to respond. Alright, looking at some of these comments. There's 32 comments in here. Let's see what there are. I guess I gotta open up the watch party to actually view them. Let's mute this. Alright, let's see. I'm interested. Certified email awesome. I'm glad you're interested. VIP. I don't know if you're calling me VIP, but if you are, thank you. Inbox me. Okay, I'll add you. I'll add you. Adding is my way of my way of connecting to you. But you can connect to me in a better basis by being more direct with myself. I gotta stop looking at other people's investment plans. Alright, let's continue to the next watch party, see if there's some more questions. I got a message coming in from Take Off No Time. Alright, let's see. So I'm asking, Take No Time Off here if you enjoyed my stream. Let me just make sure you guys have the you guys got the playbook up still, so you guys got what you need from me. Okay, I'm sorry. Facebook distracted me just like how it always does. You guys got music. You guys got a cool little playbook in front of you. That's very powerful. Ooh, we have a comment that came in 10 minutes ago. So I got someone trying to sell me a high risk, high reward system, and I'm not interested. I just want to stick to my tortoise system. 3 times 300% yearly gains. Turning $10,000 into 6 mil in 5 years. I mean, $10,000 into 1 mil in 6 years, and I'm completely content with that. I'm done trying to do better. I spent the last 3 years of my life trying to do better, and all I did was fall on my face. I'm done trying to do better, and I'm willing to accept the success I have achieved, and we are looking at it, guys. Alright, we have a minute here. Let's do another rush through of our buys, okay, guys? Let's do it. Okay, guys. Let's run through these plays again. ADI stock. Actually, let's look at yesterday's plays, see how Monday's plays are doing. APTV stock. Ooh, look at that! You're still winning off Monday's play. Jeez. I was a little worried, but that little dive, that was just a little stomp out for the scared people. And it's over the 88, or it's gotta get over the 88.23. It just makes me happy when things just win after my prediction. It just, you can say you can't predict things, but when you see things as clearly as I do, you want to agree. Like, yeah, you can't predict things, but I saw it coming, man. All right, SIBO. I did say SIBO looked a little. No, it's actually a different stock I was talking about. But SIBO, we do have a head and shoulders here, so SIBO is another stock we want to get out of. And I think after taking, you guys did get into the green. let's see. Let's see. SIBO was a yesterday buy. So SIBO is actually yeah. Okay. So SIBO's all over the place, but it's like a flip of a coin. You would have won or lost depending on. I mean, you all had a chance to get out. Everyone except for no, I take that back. Like everyone except for the people that except for the people that dropped their entire portfolio on the entry position on the first stock they look. They're the only people that are gonna get burned on this. But I would never recommend that anyways. I always recommend buy one stock of every play. Or manage your money if you don't have that much money and cost average in. But I'm telling you, there's gonna be probably less than 22% of the people. Actually, most of you guys should have won on this. Unless you're just being completely careless trader, everyone should have won on this. And then let's look up IQV, which is an extension of Monday as well. SIBO. Yeah, you can actually hold SIBO through today. So it's supposed to go up again tomorrow. And IQV, it's still chucking ahead. So, I mean, if you would have bought APTV, SIBO, and IQV, even still, SIBO is a little bit of a loser. IQV and APTV would have turned into your day into clear winners. Spreading your bet and cost averaging is so incredibly important. What's up, Mike? I'm sorry, I got someone messaging me, Mike. I'm not sure. How are you? I'm trading. How are you? I'm working and trading. Because this is my job, guys, okay? So IQV, ooh, I like IQV. We'll dance all night. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's go to the today's buys. ADI stock. Still trotting up. Ollie stock. Ollie is a little back and forth. Get ready to cost average on Ollie. On. Still up. All of these are buys. And they're all right here. If you want to buy any of these stocks, they're right here. So let's check out Cost stock. That's the one I was a little hesitant on. But look, it's coming back. Even the stock I'm hesitant on is turning around. Like, there's a lot of people that want to talk to me, and I'm sorry, I'm kind of like very forward with you guys. Like, what do you want from me? Because a lot of you guys are spammy. A lot of you just want money from me. A lot of you are just trying to sell me nudes. A lot of you are gay, just trying to hit on me. Just being real. This is what I deal with. So, like, unless I know you personally, like, I'm not gonna have small talk with you unless you, like, you present yourself in a way that it's very natural, you know? Like, you're interested in my stock system, and then we start talking about systems and BlackRock and data, and, you know, that's the stuff I want to talk to you guys about. I don't want to talk to you about another system or I'm cute or some of these other stupid things and agendas people have. It's so annoying. Like, and at the same time, a lot of these are charities as well, truly like helping people, but at the same time, selfishness. Sometimes the best help I can provide someone is providing someone else my best self. So if I'm not my best, I am not giving someone else my best. But to have my best, I need to be a little selfish. And that's the point. You gotta selfishness is good. It as a whole does more good than bad. It does more good than directly helping. And I know I'm getting on a little spiel play, rant, but it is important to understand that watching out for yourself helps the whole and watch out for everyone else as well, because you can't be you can't let someone be dependent on you, and that's what it comes down to. I mean, with this stock playbook, you guys are kind of dependent on me and gave me these plays. I don't mean it like that. Like, there's a lot more that goes beyond just me giving you a stock to trade. There's a lot of responsibility on top of just trading what I tell you to trade. And I guess I'll leave it at that. It's very clear that it's not the same situation. But Cody stock, COTY, it's going up, looking good. FB8S stock. Like, I feel so bad how just how interrupting I am to some people. It's just like, what do you want? Why are you doing the small talk with me? What do you want? Just tell me. What do you need? Just ask me. Like, I'm not here to have small talk with you guys. I can't small talk 3,000 people in a week. I'm sorry, I'm ranting. But at the same time, I don't want to discourage you guys to talk to me. I still want you guys to try to talk to me and still try to have that small talk with me, but just know I gotta keep myself focused too, and if I come off mean, I'm sorry. I hope you guys still stick around, because we're trying to do something right now. We're trying to make money, okay? We're trying to have a community and it's able to learn from each other. It's consistent. We're here every day, hanging out. You know, you guys can hang out with me every single day and talk to me on stream. Every single day. That's time I'm giving you. That's your guys' time. Outside of that, you guys gotta find me, but at the same time, I only have so much time in my day as well, just like you. So for those who are listening to me rant right now, awesome, because you guys got a lot of time in your day that you guys gotta go attend to. But let's continue and just rush through these last few stacks. So for those who want to get out of here, can. But I'm gonna tell you, all these are gonna be buys already. That's the other thing. It just doesn't really matter what you buy. They're all gonna win. I try buying as many as I can, spreading my bets, buying throughout the day. If I win 4 or 5% on a stock, maybe use a day trade to get out. You know, 5% is 4%, 3%. That's awesome, guys. Like people go bonkers for 17% gains in a year. And some people are capturing 17% gains in one play, you know? Maybe not full portfolio. Maybe they'll catch like a 20% gain with like 10% of their portfolio, so it's like only a 2% gain technically. But we all do what we must. Yes, I'm still listening. When the lights go down, down, down. When the lights go down. I'm gonna shut up for the last few minutes here, turn up the music, and just coast through these stocks.
When the lights go down. When the lights go down in the city, are you coming my way? Are you coming my way? When the lights go down in the city. When the lights go down in the city. When the lights go down in the city, are you coming my way? When the lights go down in the city. When the lights go down in the city. Are you coming my way? 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 When the lights go down in the city, are you coming my way? When the lights go down in the city. When the lights go down in the city. Are you coming my way? 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 When the lights go. When the lights go. When the lights go. When the lights go. Are you coming my way? Are you coming my way? When the lights go down in the city, are you coming my way? Are you coming my way? When the lights go down in the city. When the lights go down in the city. When the lights go down in the city, are you coming my way? When the lights go down in the city. When the lights go down in the city. Are you coming my way? 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 When the lights go down in the city, are
Alright, you guys. If you guys would like to add me, I'd really appreciate it. Search Super Henry 2 on Facebook, YouTube, or Twitch. It's gonna allow you guys to connect to my stream a bit better, which is what I need from you guys, is connection to my stream instead of me always doing these watch parties. We gotta start getting together as a community and becoming solid in our base. I'm gonna work a little bit better on connecting myself with you guys, but I've already got my stream in front of 3,000 people in the last week, and I am so appreciative of being able to do that and having all of you guys attentive. Take it very seriously. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do something with these 3,000 views, and the 3,000 views we're gonna get this next week, and the 12,000 views we're gonna get this month. Honestly, what we need to do is just make sure information is being communicated to you, and that we're able to stay connected, that you're able to find this information somewhere. Let's go over to YouTube, and I'm going to show you how to find this stuff. It's a little tricky, because I'm a gamer as well, so when you go to YouTube, I think YouTube is going to be the best, because the streams historically will stay there forever. So look at that. My first page on Super Henry 2 211 Stock Market Playbook. I do not, so 211/2020 Stock Market Play Book. So I always write it like that with the date, so then you could search it. So tomorrow will be 2/12/2020 Stock Market Playbook, and then 2/13/2020 Stock Market Playbook. We might change the name in the future, but it's how you guys can start to work on finding me, you know? Well, I'm just waiting for the page to open, but it seems like it doesn't want to open. So we gotta chill here for a second. Come on, open. Alright, so you get the point, but it is under Super Henry 2. And if for whatever you just go to my channel, you gotta change the filter to live videos, so you don't just find all my videos. And again, this is taking a while to load, but I pretty much described to you what you need to do. Just a little lame that it's taking forever to load. There it goes. If you guys are watching right now, press that like button, say hi in the comments, and I'll add you. Say what's up, do something. Give me some hype. Come on. If you, that's the most little things you guys could do. So yeah, to a stock market. Oh, we actually have a bond and gold trends. Day trading stock market using C at Meg. And there's me. We have there's me on the 6th. Sometimes I have video games in my stock market videos. I'll work on not doing that in the future. Superfly. But yeah, there you guys go. I'm gonna check for some more videos. Some more comments. If you guys have any questions, post the comments right now. I'm gonna come through and answer them. If I missed your question for some reason, just add me on Henry Lemmerman on Facebook. I will. I want to say I'm gonna be on at the end of the day, but I don't know if I will be, and I don't know if I should be. I've been doing it. Hey, thank you for the like, Florentina Carria and Xenocoin. Where where to invest? Likes my post. I appreciate that. And Ghoul Claviera, liking my post. We have comments coming in 36 minutes ago. Let's just check to see if there's any more comments that came in that were new. Yeah, I'm not seeing many. I don't mind the spam at all. It just be diligent in your research, guys, when joining systems. Oh, we got some friend requests coming in. Ryan Michael. As a start, you'll get my invite to my Hank's Advanced Stock Simulation page if you're on my friends list. And I'm gonna make that my base platform for I'm gonna make that my base platform. It's Hank's Advanced. There, right there, advanced. So it's possessive and past tense. But this is the page that I created back in 2015. I mean, I've been working on this system for over 5 years. And here's an example of just a simulation I did. And this system did derive from simulation. And the greatest thing about simulation is taking very extreme complex inputs and deriving objective outputs. And that's what I did. Now let's just take let's just gander at this photo. The black is a simulation, so we run probably tens of thousands of simulations to derive this average, min, max, quartile 2, quartile 1, and quartile 3. So between the tens of thousands of simulations, we see results over between the max and quartile 3. So this is the top 25th percentile. And then we have the bottom 25th percentile. And then we have the mid lower quartile and the mid upper quartile. Quartile 3 and quartile 2. And then quartile 2 is the median. So what occurs most often. And then you also have the average. Now these two combined are interesting. I wonder if the average is below, if it would be trending downwards. But you can see the historical, which is the brown. It follows the median and the average quite well. So in a long-term objection, this is actually a very powerful trading tool for the long term. I mean, this is predicting Facebook. This is overlaid history, but this is pretty much this yellow line is pretty much predicting the trend of Facebook growth from $80 up to $123. And I don't even know how much Facebook is worth nowadays. So it just shows we're about to find out how much Facebook is worth right now, but it's gonna show how long ago in the past, just in value change, I built this system or even began exploring for it. So I think I finished the system in 2017 and I started in 2015. But yeah, 15 Facebook. So when I started this system exploring it, Facebook was 80 bucks and now it's 210 bucks. So some real history has passed by. But yeah, if you guys want to come over and like this page, it's kind of dead right now, but this is gonna be the hub for my live videos. I'm gonna be working on it. Whereas something from October 28th. Oh, this is when I was redeveloping the system that we have today, and I was looking at some different tracks to get to $1 million. And my goal is actually increased from 1 million in 5 years to 2 million in 5 years, because I'm gonna be an engineer, which means I'm gonna be making 60 grand a year just from being an engineer. So to make $1 million in 6 years, all it takes is $10,000 after the first year to be put in. But I'm gonna be adding money continuously over time, which means it's gonna push that $1 million and then compounding up faster, and it's gonna be about $2 million in 5 years using the system we're trading right now. This was when we were just traveling around the country playing music, and here's a video of the computer actually. This is a video of the computer analyzing thousands of lines of Excel. Like, look at it go. It's just generating forecasts for the P stock on that day, and now it's doing GTN stock for every month of the year, just forecasting it, analyzing, just pop 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 pop. Isn't that awesome? Like that's my favorite part of my job, creating the system, inputting the data, and then pressing play and just watching it work. And I just sit back and go, that's amazing. And I couldn't have done what this is doing without engineering. I mean, I could try teaching you guys how to use this playbook, but if you can't make Excel do what you're seeing right now, it's gonna take you weeks, months to do what I did, and it's gonna drain the crap out of you, guaranteed. Wait, why are we watching this guy? We don't want to watch this guy. And then this is just some more, ooh, guys, this is here's some historical data. Alright, let me close this. Alright, guys, we're about to look at we're gonna look at some trading history using this system right here. Living proof that this system works. And this was being utilized, I don't know, we're just gonna open it up and look at it. But already I see lots of winners on there, and that's how it should be. And you guys need to start recording your trades like this that's about to open up right here. Where you can't really see. I'm just gonna make this full screen. But here on our left, we have the date. So this is back in 2018 that this was tested. So this was tested 2 years ago. So yeah, this system has been out for 2 years, and I've been making it. It took 5 years, a progression to get where I am today. So on the left here we have the day I bought it, and then here next to that column we have the stock, and then we have the buy price and how many we bought, and then the sell price, the average gain, and then we have some outputs after that as well. But it's kind of irritating that it's taken so long to open. I really need to get to more processing power up into my computer. But I really want to open this video, this photo for you guys. There's actually a lot of other photos in here too that you guys take a look at. A lot of it is just a progression of studying and analysis, and yeah. Here's a bunch of different forecasts of stocks individually, like. And you see these little jumps, these little bumps. That's kind of what we're looking for, where the bump is expected. Man, like you can see I did a lot of analysis. Like there is a lot here. But let's try opening that photo. Man, it's just not wanting to open this video. This photo, I mean. I'm gonna pause this real quick and see if that allows it to open. I'm also gonna close my playbook. It's kind of, flabbergasting me that it's not opening. Like, it's a freaking photo. Like, come on, Facebook. Open up that dusty cabinet and pull out my video. I mean, my photo and show it to me. Like, I swear, it's like, that's what the computer's doing. It's like, I can't find it, guys. Hold on, Henry. I'm trying to find the file. It's in one of these cabinets. I can't find it. Just give me a second, Henry, and I'll pull up this video, this photo. Well, if I don't pull up the photo by the time you guys lose interest, you guys can always go to Hank's Advanced Stock Simulation and check out the photo yourself. And on this page itself, I can tell you there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 24, 26. There's 27 plays I can see right here, and only 2 of them are losers, okay? So, let's pull up a calculator. 2 divided by 27. So in this little time frame, I lost 7.4% of the plays, which means my win rate in this spread right here of 27 plays was 92.5%. My win rate. I mean, that's not my overall win rate, but that's pretty dang good, is it not? We got a comment coming in. Or I thought I had a comment coming in. Let's see. Oh, you like my post? Fine. Thank you, and Beto Kabir, for the like. Let's get the playbook back up for you guys. So those of you who have not seen the plays yet today, and if you guys are watching right now, you guys go. Today's playbook. Plays are right here in green. If anyone has any questions out there, please feel free to ask. Message me directly if you have any questions, if you need it answered ASAP. There's no way I can miss your question if you ask me directly to my Facebook page, which is Henry Lemmerman. I'm going to type it right here for you guys, okay? There you go. So search that name on Facebook right there and add me.
And the music turn loud.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo.
Wow.
Yo. Yo.
Hello?
Yo.
What the hell are we waiting for? Can't we all get paper anymore? My chain look like Vegas to a whore. Champagne stains, screw spill it on the floor. I celebrate like fight night. I take the goal like the Eagles in a Super Bowl highlight. Like the room like light bright. Go crazy till it's time to go night night.
Yo.
Get higher than a flight. Bad girl over there, see her looking, she my type. Adidas on the stripe. Things can't go left cause we feeling too right. Yeah, I'm with Slater and it's major. A soul major, gotta get the suits tailored. Yeah, I'm rocking bands like a Taylor, never worry about a
Yo.
hater. All the way up, yeah, till I can't come down. Got my hands up in the air, yeah, and the music turn loud. Wow. All the way up, all the way up, going all the way up, all the way up, going all the way up, going all the way up, going all the way up. Till I can't come down.
Yo. Yo. Yo.
Alright guys, I'm going to come around and check for some questions. If you have some questions, put them in the comments now. Also, if you're watching, press that thumbs up button so I know someone's out there giving me some love. And that's about it. Thank you, Gual and Nbeto, for the likes. Thank you, James Radisson, for the like. Oh wait, no, that's a comment. If you have any questions, look at them right now. I'm not seeing too many comments, so I'm just gonna sit here and continue hanging out, guys.
This should be played at high volume, preferably. This should be played at high volume, preferably. This should be played at high volume, preferably. This should be played at high volume, preferably.
Make it funky.
Preferably, this should be played at high volume. Preferably. This should be played at high volume. Preferably. This should be played at high volume. Preferably. This should be played at high volume. Preferably.
Make it funky.
Preferably, this should be played at high volume. Preferably. 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 Preferably, this should be played at high volume. Preferably. This should be played at high volume. Preferably. This should be played at high volume. Preferably. This should be played at high volume. Preferably.
Like I said, Facebook distracts me. I'm trying to keep this screen up though. I caught myself. Don't worry, guys. It just confused me. I'm actually trying to start a watch party in a Weeble account. Hey, Lydia, thank you for the friend request. I'll send out some invites to my Hanks Advanced Stock Simulation page. For those who add me, you begin invites. We have a post from the president saying, "New stock market record. Congratulations. Spend your money wisely. Keep America great." So it gives a little bit of warning to spend it wisely. I thought this was quite amusing. For people who live in Wisconsin, at least. I thought it was quite amusing. That's why I was smiling a moment ago. I'll be right back. But you guys got the playbook right there if you guys need it. Although I want to make sure you guys can hear the music.
It's already done.
Give me that beat.
Kick it. Push. Push. Kick it. Push. Push. Kick it. Kick it. Kick it.
Track. Run that, run that. Run that, run that. Run that back. Run that, run that. Run that, run that. Run that back. Run that. 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 DJ run that track. Cat knock that little chop back. DJ run that track.
music, and that's much better, isn't it not, to hear me? I do that sometimes. I'm getting better at managing my So what happened? Like, did my video cut off and start again? That's what it looks like happened. Well, looks like we're having some technical difficulties connecting. And it looks like I disconnected for... No, it still says I'm live for 2 hours. I guess that's my signal to end the stream. No masters, no rules. Thank you for the follow. Yeah, we're gonna call the stream. There's the playbook once more for whoever wants to see it. Peace out, guys. Thank you so much for participating. I'll see you guys tomorrow before 8:30, 15, 20 minutes, half hour before stock market open. And I might come in and check up at 2 right before 3 p.m. today, but I don't know if I will. Probably should, because it's a great day, so I probably will actually. So catch you guys later. See you guys at 2:45 later on today. Peace out, guys. Thank you so much again. Press that like button, subscribe button. Come find me, please. Just come support at the bare minimum, and then we'll see what happens. And then we'll see what happens from there.